Geraldton, or more accurately, the Greater City of Geraldton, is Western Australia's second largest regional centre behind Bunbury and in front of Kalgoorlie and Albany. The area is said to average 8 hours of sunshine a day, and one wag even suggests that it's Western Australia's most popular winter resort. The truth is, of course, you have to go another 500 kilometres further north to Carnarvon to get the truly nice weather in winter. The countryside north of Geraldton becomes hilly, and small ridges continue for many miles. The scenery here is striking, and in spring it's a photographer's delight. Also north of Geraldton are a couple of good campsites, one at Coronation Beach and the other one at Okabella Farmstay. Drummond Cove, just north of Geraldton, was once known as Smuggler's Cove. It was a place where bootleg alcohol was brought ashore and carted away inland for sale to avoid government duties. One of Geraldton's claims to fame is the production of tomatoes. Growing tomatoes in the area dates all the way back to 1868. Many local varieties have been developed over the years. Few people pass through Geraldton without stopping to get a bag or two of the local tomatoes. Geraldton is part of the Monsignor John Hawes Heritage Trail. This also includes the towns of Perenjori, Morawa, Mullewa, Northampton, Yalgoo, Carnamah, Nansen and Bluff Point. Monsignor John Hawes was a famous architect who designed many beautiful buildings for the Catholic Church. The coast north and south of Geraldton produces possibly the most valuable single species of seafood in the whole of Australia, the western rock lobster. It's estimated that this single species accounts for 1/5 of the revenue earned from all of Australia's seafood species. The lobster is actually a crayfish, but the new name was given to avoid confusion in the American market with the crawfish. Lobsters have been known to migrate up to 300 kilometres, and in captivity have lived for almost 30 years. The first name recorded by Europeans for the area was Champion Bay. This was later changed to Geraldton, in honour of the colony's governor, Sir Charles Fitzgerald. Lead and copper were discovered in the area, and a port was built to facilitate exports. In 1879, a rail link to Northampton, where the mine was located, was completed. By 1894, the rail link went all the way to Midland. Shipping goods out of Geraldton could be hazardous because of the number of uncharted reefs in the area. A great many ships came to grief here, and a large number still lie on the seafloor just off the coast. Reefs were not the only hazards faced by shipping. Severe storms, including cyclones, could sweep the west coast, and in 1872, when a cyclone reached as far south as Geraldton, shipping was not the only thing in danger. During the storm, a sea surge hit the town, and there was as much as 5 feet of water covering the streets closest to the sea.